They had a table place you could sit out somewhere else as well too over there, I want to say. And they say do not drink. There's water right there, but they don't want you to drink it. It's like well water. I don't think it's filtrated. Safe for somebody to drink it. It's like your own risk, but there's the bathroom right there.
What's up, Bubba?
If you out here camping or you just have to use the bathroom. That's a trail to have to go hunting and stuff.
I remember Mommy had to pee one time. I said, go do it in the bushes. She's like, no, I'm not a boy.
See, what is that? They got something back?
Nothing.
It's like a cage or something like that or something.
Bigfoot strap. And it's just
There's a cage back there.
They might be trying to catch me.
Yeah, see? They out there camping. Got a wood set up. Cut up. Got the tents and all that stuff.
Was coming from. You didn't know that? I knew that.
That'd be great.
Look at that. I think that's pretty big.
Yeah. Campsite, guys. Set out camp, fish all night.
If you're 12 or under, you have to be within no.
That's the area where you sometimes see alligators cross the road to get to the lake or to get to the ocean over here. Salt water over there. Wild boars, even turtles across this road. Like we get out, we can actually see the trails across the road where they come and go. Where that lake right there. Yeah, got some monsters in there.
Gators.
Yeah, monster gators. Like you see some trails opening right there for them to go in and out.
Them bugs big, you can see them.
Oh yeah.
I see a trail.
Yeah, slippery slope right there.
I wonder if I ever had a tracking animal one day.
That's why we can't see one just sitting there. That would be a good video.
Won't they come out to sunbathe and all that?
Yeah, but they pretty much sitting out there, sunbathing on top of the water by the edge. You want to walk down there?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, I'll
If tide was good, it'll be good to go down fishing back in this hole right here. But tide is real low, so you have to wait till the tide come back in, or you have to walk the shoreline to get to some good water spots. Wish I had my truck right now, boy.
What would you do if you got stuck? You don't know. Do you think that fence is electrical? Yep. Okay, there's a sign.
Yeah, you go pee on it, you get electrocuted.
Oh, no, it's not. It's not
I'm just kidding. No, it ain't electrocuted.
Why can't you go over there?
That's the military base. That's actually the base, and that's pretty much. I don't know what's over the hill, but I know the military. If anything come with nuclear bombs or explosions and stuff like that, even though that's not well guarded for right here, they put them on the ground. So
We have a crab. Scrap them with some bombs.
So it could be like a little wasteland or something, or just something to cover up, or so nobody won't see. If I fly my drone out, they'll probably shoot it down or something. Authorized personnel only, but yeah. But we'll go down there and fish down here. Let's go to this where we caught a lot of fish, reds and stuff.
Wait, are we authorized?
Yep. No, we ain't authorized, buddy. But people still go down there and fish. I mean, as long as they know you fishing, it's okay. It's not they're not like gonna actually come and kick you off or try to look for you. But if they see you, they probably would say something, say to back up. But people go down there on the shore down that way and fish down there all the time. That's where we catch the reds and sea trouts and stuff like that. Oh, it's big filler crabs. You saw them little filler crabs?
Yeah.
Right there? They about that big down there.
Oh, there's one back out back
Yeah.
there.
Turtles be down there too. Sharks.
Oh, I saw a crab. It's coming.
Alright, this is actually where they walk through. The trail, you see it?
Yeah, there's like stuff broken down.
Yeah. They walk through here. They'll be right in this water back there. Don't see nothing sitting on top of the water right now. I wish it was clear. You can see from go way back there. I got different paths they'll take. Usually it'll be this one.
It looks like there would be something hiding there.
Yeah, it could be some, huh? These bugs.
Oh yeah, I got my knife in my pocket.
Got a little knife.
Yeah.
Good luck.
I got it in my hand.
Burnt trees. Yeah, they actually burnt these trees a while back too.
This one's knocked
To
down.
clear it up. Yeah, they cut that one down. Now let's see. See some prints.
Oh, I see him.
Coming from back here. Log been moved. I think they came and got this log probably for the campfires. Oh shit, dang. Goddamn cactus. Shucks, that shit hurt. I got cactus all over me.
They're a tiny crab.
Yeah, look at them cactuses, man.
That's so cool, I'm sorry.
That's going into my skin.
Look at this.
A nice big cactus. Woo-wee. They all over my shoes, my socks.
Broke some little ones off.
Ooh-wee, boy. Look at that. How they will stick to you.
These are big points.
Yeah, they do. They all stuck to my bottom of the shoe too. Got me, bug. Alright, well, just gonna walk the trail, see the openings where they come in and out.
I
a jumping spider.
Yeah. I can feel the weight on my shoe. I'm trying to walk through the sand. Look at this boy. Yeah. Alright, come on, buddy. We gonna get out of here.
She's gonna be
Give-
you walking in her car with some cactus on your feet.
I'm gonna take him off when we get to the car. Hopefully someone will start to fall
Oh no,
off.
we got my foot.
They got you? And they jumping up top of my shoe. Hey.
Yeah.
Butterfly doing. Look at the turtles, guys.
I can pick him up.
He's going back. Oh, you know what? He's actually building it. He got a little home right here. See? It's a girl too.
How you know? Can I go
The
pick him
tail.
up?
She's about to go home.
She's the eye.
She probably got eggs in her hole. She's probably eating. Oh my gosh.
Let's not interfere there.
Yeah. She's going in the hole.
Name her Shalonda.
I wonder how deep her hole is though.
3 feet deep. No, her name is Shalonda.
Go see how deep her hole is, Michael.
It's Shalonda. Yeah.
Bring the camera over there. Don't drop this camera now.
Got no service, Alicia. We gotta wait till we get out his base.
Alright. Hold on. Alright.
It goes in there. It was deep. You can't even.
Go for turtles. The turtles, guys. Look at that. Some more turtles. Look at that. We passed up by several holes. Man, I should have been recording because that was like the 7th one. Or 7th hole, but then that's another turtle. That'll be the 3rd turtle. That one, I think I couldn't really tell. The backside was kind of closed or flapped down a lot. Might have been a boy. Okay? So, you ready to go? Ready to get these woods?
Yes.
Y'all ready to get these woods?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just trying to film, but I get not. We're almost done. You see one? A turtle? A hole?
I saw it.
Yeah, where the bugs at now? They gone from up here. Cold.
They dropped like flies. Imagine the snakes right now.
But those things like that, butterflies sit on.
That was doing something to it.
We was young kids, we used to run over and jump on it.
Yeah, Keon took me and Junior up there once.
Nigga wanna see me fall. Stephen Curry, how I ball. Gosha garments ain't no light. Really on my body. I'm a night coming. My girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the best. Niggas say they run my hometown.